Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding to ClickFunnels funnel pages, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your branding to ClickFunnels funnel pages, start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the funnel that you want to customize. Select the page within that funnel that requires branding adjustments. Click on the Edit Page button to access the page editor. Begin by updating the page title to reflect your brand identity. Next, click on the Settings tab in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust the meta description and SEO settings to align with your brand. Now, focus on the visual elements of your page. Select the element you want to customize, such as the header or footer. Click on the Edit button to access the customization options. Upload your brand logo by clicking on the image element. Ensure that the logo is optimized for web display to maintain quality. Change the colors of text and backgrounds to match your brand palette. Locate the background section in the settings sidebar. Use the color picker to set your brand's primary colors. For text elements, adjust font styles, sizes, and colors to ensure brand consistency. Next, look into customizing buttons and CTAs throughout the page. Select a button and adjust its style in the settings panel. Ensure button colors, text, and hover effects align with your branding guidelines. Continue by reviewing any images or graphics included on the page. Replace stock images with images that reflect your brand's values and aesthetic. Now, adjust the spacing and layout for visual balance. Ensure that all elements follow a consistent grid and alignment. Once you're satisfied with the visual aspects, review mobile responsiveness. Click on the mobile icon to switch to mobile view. Make necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless mobile experience. After finalizing all changes, click the Save button. Preview the page to see how it looks in a live environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.